everyone and welcome back to another video. I am currently in Bordeaux. We actually arrived last night around 10 o'clock, but I didn't have a chance to film, and I wanted to just film the apartment that we're staying at before it gets too messy because it's so beautiful and I really feel like I'm living my French dreams. You'll have to excuse my skin because it's all broken out this morning, I think just from not drinking enough water yesterday and obviously flying and everything. It's just, yeah, I need to drink a little bit more water today. So we're actually here to see my partner's family and for them to meet our little girl for the first time. A lot of them, will you be quiet because I'm trying to film a video here. We're obviously up a little bit earlier because when you have kids you'll know that you're up before everyone else. We are going to do a little bit of exploring ourselves, so I'll film whatever we do by ourselves. Obviously won't film seeing family and stuff. So as you come into the entrance of the apartment, just here there's this like middle area which is just so pretty. They've got a little bar over here, a little chair which just looks so cute. And then this is the living space, so nice big TV, really cute little sofa area. And I'm just so in love with these fireplaces. I just feel like they look so French. And then we're actually really central, so you can see everything. When we arrived last night, everyone was at the clubs and the apartment's actually right on top of a club. So we were kind of worried, but as soon as you shut the door, you couldn't really hear very much. And we've got the most gorgeous little balcony with these little chairs on them. And as you come out, you can really see how central we are. So last night, this was absolutely jam-packed with people, and right down there, underneath us, there's a club. So it was really busy here last night, but obviously it's Sunday morning at 10 o'clock, so it's very quiet now. You can really just see how beautiful the buildings are. So stunning. Okay, so this is the dining space, which is really beautiful. Again, one of those beautiful fireplaces. Cute little kitchen area. Not sure how much we'll be using that because we'll probably go out to eat a lot. From this room you also have, oh, the sun's come out. You also have access to the balcony area with all the views, which is so pretty. Excited for the sun to come out because it was a bit dark and dismal this morning. Oh, the sun is out a little bit now. I think we are going to get some good weather actually from tomorrow onwards. So that's pretty much the apartment that we're staying in. I just went to show you guys because I thought it looked so cute. It gives very French vibes. The master bedroom, my boyfriend's currently sleeping in there. Living the life, I tell you. Having a nice little lie-in while I'm up with the baby this morning. She's just looking at me like, Mum, can we play a little bit this morning? Aren't you? She just wants my attention 24/7. And there is also another bedroom where I think my partner's mum and sister will be staying, so I won't show you guys that. No, but this little outfit my partner bought for Capri. Oh my god, I'm actually dying. The little shorts. Oh my god, I wouldn't normally be a designer head to toe type of person, but this is very cute. So we did all manage to get ready this morning, and I got ready in a really cute little outfit, expecting to go out and get some breakfast this morning, but it was about 2 o'clock in the afternoon by the time we were all actually out of bed and dressed and ready to go. And then my daughter decided that she wants another nap, so she had a complete meltdown and she didn't want to sleep in the buggy. She's not very good at sleeping on the go, so she wanted to be in the bed, so we just said, okay, we'll sit and wait for 2 hours until she has her nap, and then we'll try and get out of the house. So I think it's going to be around 4 o'clock in the afternoon by the time we actually get out. So I just went and grabbed a quick coffee from a shop on the corner and a little croissant. Yeah, haven't eaten yet properly today. So I think my boyfriend's family's coming here now, and then hopefully by the time she's up it'll be dinner time. We'll go and grab some dinner, but I'm guessing everyone goes through that with babies. She's just 8 months now, so she's definitely getting much better. I think if I'd have tried to do a trip with her at 3 months, even 6 months, I think it would have been a bit of a nightmare. Yesterday she travelled really well. I think she was just super tired because by the time she got into bed it was like midnight, because she fell asleep in the car on the way to the airport, which was like her nap time, and then she was really good on the flight, but then she was really tired because it was like bedtime by the time we actually arrived in Bordeaux. And in the taxi on the way here she had a little 20-minute snooze, so then she was all excited, obviously new surroundings and stuff, and she didn't want to sleep, so it was like 1 AM by the time she went down, and then she got up at 10 AM, so I think everything's just a bit out of sync, and she's really used to her nap schedule. At home it's pretty much always on time, or if she has a nap it would be in the car, but she's not good at napping if it's not in a moving vehicle. She either needs to be in her bed or in the car. She's not good with buggies at all. She doesn't like going in the buggy, so it's quite... someone dinging downstairs. Yeah, she's just not good in the buggy really, so let's see how today goes. I'm hoping I'm gonna get out today and wear my little outfit, but it was nice to actually go out and grab a little coffee because I got to see the surroundings. And actually, if I can show you, like we are so central, like I didn't even realise how central we are, because literally if you just turn left there, it's like the main high street with all the shops that you would know, like Zara, Mango, and it's really busy, but it's quite nice because we're on this street and it's not crazy busy. I mean, like I said, when we came last night it was quite manic because there's like a bar or a club or something literally right underneath us, and there's a lot of bars and clubs actually along this road here, but it was a Saturday night, so I'm guessing we're going to be here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm guessing it's not going to be as busy on those days, so I think we'll be fine because we're not really in our clubbing era anymore now we've got a baby. So it's actually the next day now, and yesterday didn't go to plan at all because we didn't even end up getting out. She went down for a nap and then my partner's family came to see us, and then it was just a bit of a family day, so I didn't really get to film anything. But I think today we're going to do a little bit of exploring. We're going to go and grab some breakfast this morning and then hopefully have dinner somewhere as well, and just have a little bit of an explore around the city. We're currently napping on the go, which is brilliant news because I thought we were going to have to go home for like 2 hours and let her nap in the bed, so it's quite nice that she literally just fell asleep in the sling and we can actually go and have a look around. We're just going to have a quick look in here, which I think is a bit of a designer store, well the one in Paris is, so we're going to see if it's anything similar to that. How beautiful all the buildings are. All the little streets are like this. So pretty. Very French vibes. And the weather's not too bad. It's a little bit cloudy, but warm enough to take a little stroll around. Okay, so we're going to a little coffee shop now, which apparently is a little trendy spot to get coffee, and it's called Café Joyeux, I've been told. That's what my boyfriend soon, but I can't pronounce it properly. So apparently it means happy coffee, so yeah, we're gonna give that a go. He's laughing at my pronunciation. So that was a very cute little coffee spot. We've just got a coffee to go, but it was so sweet in there. They're so friendly, literally. We were like walking out the door and we're miles away and they're like, au revoir, merci. Like they're very happy in there. Everyone seems very happy and jolly. So we've just come to like the main high street area where all the high street stores are. I'm just gonna quickly pop into Mango. There was some nice Capri style leggings that I wanted, so I'm just gonna pop in here quickly and see if they've actually got them in stock, because they were sold out everywhere online, so I'm really hoping they've got them here because I've got a really cute outfit planned for them. So I did actually manage to find them. I'm not sure if these are the same ones because I'm sure on the website it said that they were leggings, but these say that they're jeans. I'm thinking that these are cute and they'll do the same job. Yeah, I think I'm going to get them because I really need them for a cute little dinner outfit that I've got planned. I actually just got them to check the reference number of the ones that I wanted from the website, and they managed to find these. Ooh. These are perfect. These are the exact ones that I wanted. I knew it wasn't the jean style ones that I wanted. It's like the legging fabric, but on their website there's so many different ones. I think there's some with splits, some without splits, some in leggings, some in jeans. It's very confusing, but this is the shiny legging fabric type thing I wanted, and then it's got a little slit in the side, which I think is so cute. I'm going to wear them with a little pair of ballerina pumps. So apparently this little ice cream spot is supposed to be really good, so we're going to try some ice cream from here, I think, and then just sit on the balcony at home. It's just right home, I say, where we're staying. Just sit out on the balcony and eat the ice cream. So I've just managed to really quickly sneak out to get my nails done, because I've been trying to get them done since before we left London. I tried to get them done yesterday. Apparently everything was closed on a Sunday, so I couldn't get them done here yesterday. And then, what's today? Monday, yeah. Then today, obviously, we were out walking around. Capri just literally went down for a nap, so I've probably got about an hour. Just left her with my partner. I've literally just ran out the door and I'm like, let me get my nails done please, because we're going out for dinner tonight. So I'm trying to find a nail shop. Hopefully they have space to do mine. Incoming from my sofa at home while I'm just editing this vlog, and I've realised that it ended very abruptly when I went to get my nails done. I actually didn't end up getting my nails done and still have not got my nails done, even though we're back in London now. It turned out to be really difficult to actually get my nails done while I was there. I think I went to 3 different nail places and all of them said they didn't have appointments for that day, so I just ended up not getting them done, and now I'm back in London. I'll probably just go to my normal nail shop. But I just wanted to explain why it ended so abruptly, because we were actually with family quite a lot of the time while we were there, which obviously made it very difficult to film. But that day we did go to my partner's family's house, and then after that we went to a really nice restaurant by the Big Mamas group. We've actually been to a lot of their restaurants here in London, and we just wanted to try out their restaurant over there as well to see if it was any good. The restaurant was called Osteria Palatino, and it was just a really cute Italian restaurant. I know it probably doesn't make much sense to go to France and then go to an Italian restaurant, but like I said, we just really love them here, and they all have a really different vibe to them. This one was quite like old school vibes. And then the next day we went to see family again, and then we really wanted to try this other little restaurant that we saw had gone viral on TikTok, and the day that we arrived we saw a massive queue outside, so we were like, we definitely want to try this place and see what all the hype's about. I'm really not sure how you pronounce the name of this restaurant, so I'm going to put it up on the screen. It reminded me of a fast food restaurant, but with like a bit of a cool concept about it. Basically you queue up outside and then they seat you, and I'm not gonna lie, when I got in it gave me very much like Burger King vibes, and they sit you down. It's definitely very child friendly. There was lots of children screaming in there, which made us feel very comfortable. It's a set menu, so you don't choose from the menu. Everyone has a salad to start with, which is lettuce leaves with walnuts and I think a bit of balsamic vinegar. It was very strange and I didn't find it that tasty, to be honest. And then for the main course you have their meat, which is their like speciality, and then you get unlimited chips. And to be honest, the meat was nice and the chips were nice, but I'm not sure if it was my kind of vibe of restaurant. I feel like it's good if you've got kids and you want to get something quick to eat, but then again maybe not quick if you have to queue, because when we spoke to my partner's family as well, they said sometimes you can queue for an hour out there just to get in, so I'm not sure it would really be worth it in my opinion. But the wine was very good, so you can pick wine from the menu. We picked the house wine and it was really nice, and then my partner did have dessert, but I had to run home to get our daughter to sleep because she was having an absolute meltdown by that point, because she was just so tired from being out and about all day, which he's really not used to. So I had to skip that, but he said it was really, really nice, the dessert. So maybe it's worth a try just for the experience. Then the next day it was time to go home, and we actually missed our flight in the morning. But obviously I'd planned everything perfectly, I thought, so that our daughter would be able to get back in time to get to bed on time. So that all completely went out the window, and we ended up just going back to my partner's family's house and just chilling there all day. And then by the time we got back, we were all just absolutely exhausted. We actually flew to Gatwick because we had to book another flight for that evening. So we had to fly to Gatwick, which is about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours drive from our house. So we were all just completely knocked out, snoozing in the car. And normally with my daughter, if I get her out of the car seat, she would wake up if I tried to put her in the bed, but she was completely KO'd. She slept all the way from the airport in the taxi and all night in her bed. So I was quite chuffed about that, because I was really panicking that I'm going to get her out of the car seat and she's going to wake up, and then I'm going to be up all night with her after not getting much sleep. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. I'm really sorry that it was a little bit all over the place and didn't really finish it very well, but I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and like this video, and I'll see you next time.